Morning. Today we're off to see the classic Seagull dinghy race. Now seagulls are a very specific kind of motor / engine / outboard, and there is a very super passionate group of people that have restored and maintained this huge fleet of Seagull engines, and every year they have a race. Let's go check it out. So this is Carl, Seagull engine racer, supreme. What's the story behind all of this?
Just a fun group of people wanting to race old Seagulls.
And Seagulls are what?
Seagull is a British outboard engine they built in World War II.
And there's a real collection of people here that love them, eh?
Yeah, it's a whole group of people here in Havelock. 30 boats, up to 30 boats race. I think we're down to 15 today. But yeah, just a whole heap of people like old engines and fun that goes with it.
Sweet.
Last time only half the boats made the trip. the other half broke down on the way round.
Yeah. And so whereabouts do you go?
We go up the Ploris River,
Oh really?
around the island,
Yeah.
and back down under the two bridges there.
Oh wicked.
Yep.
Oh
And back and finish back here. Finish back at the log wharf, just outside Havelock there.
yeah, what an awesome fun day out.
Yeah. It's early settlers day today. Early settler and Māori day. So if you're Māori heritage, you wear Māori clothes, and the rest of us wear the early settler type clothing. Yeah.
Oh sweet. Good luck mate.
Right. Okay. I'm
See
getting
ya.
called.